Hi guys, so I want to show you this bridge that I built. It's about 6 feet wide, double track, double lift with counterweight, concrete. It's pretty neat. It was challenging to build. Took a lot of metal pieces and a lot of welding. Took some engineering to figure out how to make this thing work. It'd always be fun to put a motor, make it electrical or some sort of mechanical feature, or automated feature. But sometimes you just gotta keep it simple and let gravity work for you. Know what I mean? Part of the challenge of this was making the shape of that concrete fit the angle of the steel, and then when it's in the open position to fit the level of the bench. And that was fun. It worked out. Matches all the angles. And here I am lifting that bridge up. It's probably about 3 or 5 pounds maybe of lift. The concrete holds it up. I'm weak, I can't lift much, but there it is, opened up. Here's a nice little pan of what it looks like with a -9 locomotive sitting on the track. You have to forgive me, I have such an old looking track because it's used out of a railroad. It's 20 years old. But it's what I had right here, so it's what I used. And that's sort of what it looks like right there. There's one of the 2 towers. The customer was extremely patient with me. And I think it turned out really, really cool. There's quite a bit of funky engineering that went into figuring out how to make the arms the right length and the pivot points and measurements on that. There's some geometry. Plus, designing the concrete weights in that shape was interesting, as well as making the mold. Then using the precast concrete that actually cures in a nice light gray with no aggregate, no rock. That fashion and that color was very unique, as well as the metal that's actually inside that concrete to hold it together, and then punching holes through the concrete. That was all of it was very interesting, and there it is. And thank you guys for paying attention to the double bascule lift bridge small video. Here it is going up, kind of where the seam would be and the alignment of the track. It's really pretty simple. Line up the track that way. Real simple. Here we're going to just show how easy it is to attach it to your bench work with a wood screw. Just drive it in. There's 4 holes, so there's plenty of room, plenty of places to drive a screw or fastener into your bench work. Pretty simple. Here's the bridge in its up position, held there by the weight of the concrete. Here is a design that allows you to level the bridge with a 7/16 wrench. Here are the simple fasteners to hold the concrete counterweights to the steel frame. You can see how nice it lines up with just a simple bevel cut to the track. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Here's a good shot of that cut in action. Pretty smooth and simple, and you want to connect the wires under the rail with a piece of flexible stranded wire. Just another shot of that angle in action. Here I'm going to show you how to use the wire in a crude way, but I hope it makes a point. You just use a flexible wire under the hinge from rail to rail as a conductor. Zip ties are the best thing to hold the track down. Use them there, and on the laterals there. Anywhere you can.